Hi, I'm Ajay from Poly. There are a lot of headsets in the market, but the question arises, are they safe? Firstly, we will understand the benefits of a headset. See, using a headset on a daily basis will reduce unnecessary back pain and fatigue caused by creating the phone on your shoulder. Using a headset as part of your daily work routine will help improve your posture and make you feel more active and refreshed at the end of the workday. Not only does a headset help you physically, it also increases your work productivity. Studies have shown that using a headset instead of holding the phone frees up the hand and can improve productivity by up to 43%. But is your headset safe to use? Are your kids using a safe headset for their online classes or to listen music? Does your headset protect you from long-term noise exposure? Does your headset has acoustic protection? Many of us are using headsets and headphones for several hours a day. Our ears may feel fine, but ear damage is slow and subtle and irreversible. According to the study of WHO, World Health Organization estimates that 1.1 billion young people worldwide could be at risk of hearing loss due to unsafe listening practice. Regularly listening to music at high volume and for long duration of calls is a serious threat to one's hearing. There are two types of hearing damages that can affect users. One is long-term noise exposure and the second, acoustic shock injury. Let us understand what is long-term noise exposure. Damage from long-term noise exposure can occur when a headset wearer is continuously exposed to high level of noise every day. Over time, this may result in hearing loss. There is an overwhelming scientific evidence which indicates that exposure level above 85 decibels represent an unacceptable risk to the hearing of those exposed. And the second, acoustic shock injury. See, acoustic shock injury is more immediate and is completely unrelated to long-term noise exposure. It is caused by an unexpected, sudden, and usually high-pitched sound transmitted through the headset. Even if a person is using a headset for a minute, if there is a sudden loud sound, it is a serious threat to one's hearing. These sudden acoustic shocks can be caused by interferences on the telephone, both landline and soft phone, or because of power supply failures, and also by more unrelated issues. The symptoms for this acoustic shock could be short term or long term. The short term symptoms could be headache, balance disturbance, nausea, pain in the ear, or on the head or on the neck. Long term symptoms could be hearing loss, ringing in the ear, hypersensitivity to high level sounds, or stress. See, after hearing all this, do we really want to use an unsafe headset or use a headset which can protect our ears from damage? Poly Technology for acoustic safety. Poly has designed its headsets keeping their customers' requirement and well-being. For more than 50 years, Poly has been providing customers with a safe and comfortable audio experience without sacrificing the audio quality. Poly products incorporate leading-edge technologies that can instantaneously protect against impulsive noise, continuous noise, and long-term daily noise exposure. These products meet acoustic safety regulations and surpass them with additional measures that bring greater listening comfort to the users. The key Poly technologies for acoustic safety and long-term noise exposure are SoundGuard, SoundGuard Plus, SoundGuard Digital. These SoundGuard technologies will deliver a virtually instantaneous attack time to remove impulses and long duration disturbance noise levels. It also uses sophisticated algorithm to provide additional acoustic protection above and beyond the impulses. Let me show you a clip. Here is a group of people in a training session. Person in video 1 is using a mobile phone headset and person in video 2 is using a local headset. And person in video 3 and 4 are using Poly headsets. And during the call, they hear an unexpected high-pitched sound. Now let's see how they will react to the acoustic shock.
Product for a 4 to 6 seater kind of a conference room, and X50 would be something a best fit for a 6 to 10 seater kind of a conference room. Both the has, so team, does you get, are you receiving any disturbance into the call?
In video 1 and 2, persons who are using an unsafe headset have gone through an acoustic trauma. Now we will see how the person in video 3 and 4 will experience the same sound.
X50 would be something a best fit for a 6 to 10 seater kind of a conference room. Both the has, so team, does you get, are you receiving any disturbance into the call?
we have actually seen the differences between these users. As explained, the SoundGuard technology in Poly headsets will detect and eliminates sudden increase in sound level. To know more about the SoundGuard technology and Poly headsets, you can click on the link below. Thank you.